Good morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. As you can see, it is Friday the 17th of November 2023. We're here to celebrate all those children in Year 3, Year 4, Year 5 and Year 6 who've earned themselves a golden ticket this week. You won't see a great deal of me, you'll just see amazing children. So we're just going to start in Year 3 this morning. And Mr. Starling and Mrs. George says our golden ticket goes to a pupil who never gives up, shows brilliant manners, always wants to improve and just loves learning. This pupil is always making us smile and has some wonderful creative ideas too, they certainly do. It's lovely to teach this pupil in every lesson and have at Marlcross Cross Primary School. Well done to none other than, come on in, Thomas, there you go, look at that. Good lad, you have been working so hard, so polite, so kind. Thank you so much and thank you for being so helpful as well. You've won the golden ticket. That should put a smile on your face. Really well done. And just keep it up. Thank you so much. On to Miss Begum says this child is always so positive and enters the classroom every morning with a good morning and a smile on her face. Her enthusiasm encourages others to try their best too. She works hard during all lessons and strives to set her work to the neatest standard. She certainly does. Golden ticket goes to Marcy. Look at that, Marcy. Massive smile as well. You should be smiling. You've won the golden ticket. Thank you so much for being so brilliant, so positive as well, and really encouraging others to be the same. Fantastic. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home, you superstar. Well done. On to Year 4, and Miss White says this child stood out for trying even harder than normal to do their very best. In maths, their work is organised. In English, the writing is detailed. Corrections are visible, marking the work interesting, and her making her work far more interesting, and her handwriting is clearer to read. In every lesson, this pupil is a little ray of light, always smiling, always willing to have a go. Every day, this child arrives at school ready to work and always giving 100%. Not only that, this child is as good walking on their hands as they are their feet. Come on in. Eliza, there she is. Absolutely amazing. What a beautiful smile. Eliza, well done, hun. You won the golden ticket. Really well deserved. And you've been working so hard in Year 4. So really well done. Keep it up because you know others will copy you and maybe win the golden ticket as well. Enjoy taking it home today, you superstar. Well done. On to Miss Arthurton. Miss Arthurton, this child has impressed us with their exemplary behaviour and attitude to learning. When this child finds things challenging, they never give up. It's been amazing to see their confidence grow and watch them become more resilient. They take pride in all the work they produce, which has led them to being awarded with a handwriting license from Mr. Allen. They certainly have. So really well done, really neat writing. Their positivity and attitude to learning does not stop in the classroom. At home, they always read more than 5 times. They battle on times to a rockstar and complete quizzes on Spelling Shed. Well done. Keep believing yourself, you little superstar. Absolutely. We all do. Come on in, Caitlin. There she is. Massive thumbs up from Mr. Allen as well. You've won the golden ticket. Really brilliant. Thank you so much for working so hard and a really well-deserved golden ticket, you superstar. On to Year 5, Miss Percy. This says this child has hugely impressed staff recently with their attitude to learning. Despite the task, this person is always striving to produce their best work. They regularly contribute their excellent ideas during lessons, which is allowing them to become even more independent in their learning. They love school and are a polite and conscientious member of our class. Being polite, see, it doesn't cost anything, so well done. This person has really impressed us recently with their strive to succeed, particularly with handwriting and presentation of their work. Keep it up. A huge well done too. Come on in, Ebony. There she is, star worker as well. Well done, Ebony. Massive smiley face. You won the golden ticket as well. So really, I know your sister's going to be so proud as well. So well done. Huge congratulations. Enjoy taking that home today, superstar. And just keep it up. On to Miss Barrett says, this child has really impressed me recently with their quiet focus in lessons. They're eager to learn, so they always listen carefully to instruction. They persevere with tasks when tasks are challenging, and they come to school with a brilliant attitude every single day. They always read at least 5 times a week, and their reading record is exemplary, filled with comments about what they have read and how much they've enjoyed the books they read. Keep up the fantastic work. Ruby Miller, look at that. Well done, Ruby. What a massive smile. Thank you so much for being so brilliant. It's absolutely amazing. Working so hard as well. It's really paying off. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home today, you superstar. Well done. On to Year 6, Mr. Davis says this child has been working increasingly hard every day and now rarely requires extra time to finish work from lessons. They love to read, which is consistently reflected in their creative writing, and they are building confidence as a mathematician. This week, they really impressed us with their participation in drama activities to help learn the story of Macbeth, as well as excelling in our study of King Henry VIII's many wives. Golden ticket goes to Cleo, well done. Look at that. In character there. You look amazing. And look at that, maths and writing. So good. I'm so proud of you. It's absolutely amazing. You're working so hard. I know your sister's going to be really proud of you as well. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today, superstar. Well done. Keep it up. Finally, this morning, Miss Musselwhite says, this child is someone who never fails to make me smile with their hard-working attitude and determination. They find some learning challenging, however, they never fail to try their absolute hardest in all situations. They read every single day and have got 20 out of 20 on the last few weeks' spelling tests, showing their effort at home too. So far this year, they also have 100% attendance, which is brilliant. We can't ask for any more than that. I agree. They are a superstar. Come on in. Emily Ann! There she is. Well done, Emily Ann. Absolutely brilliant. You are working so hard. A really well-deserved golden ticket. Enjoy taking it home today, you superstar. Well done. Well done, everyone. What a fantastic week from everyone. So brilliant. Everyone working really hard. If it wasn't you this week, don't worry. Just copy those children. Who knows? It could be you next week. And this weekend, look, everything around that anti-bullying theme we've had throughout this week. Being helpful, being kind, being your best. So this weekend, please, let's be helpful, let's be kind, let's be our best. Without being asked, let's do those things, do those jobs that need to be done. Use our manners, our pleases and thank yous, and let's just have an amazing weekend, everyone. And we'll see you all on Monday. Bye-bye now.